Sound check. Test mic 1, 2. Test mic. Sound check. Morning to all. Let us continue our review for Material Engineer Exam. Alam ko March na yun. March yung take. So, baka makatulong tong review na to. Hopefully. Before we proceed, please subscribe to Rise Academy at Consultancy channel. And for more software review and tutorial and review. Okay. Please encourage you to subscribe to MCGI channel, UNTV News and Rescue, and Green Trend forever. Okay, para hindi na tayo magtagal, let us start and continue. Continue pala yan, Material Engineer Exam Review 51 to 75. This is our third review session. Okay, 51. In structural concrete, the maximum size of aggregate shall be blank. A, equal to the spacing of rebars. 2/3 of the spacing of the rebars. B, C, 1/2 of the spacing of the rebars. And D, 3 times the spacing of the rebars. Excuse me. The answer is B. Structural concrete, the maximum size of aggregate shall be letter B, 2/3 of the spacing of the rebars. 52. 52 sample for CBR test. Soak for blank hours before subjecting it to penetration test. Letter A, 24, B, 48, C, 72, and D, 96. Answer is D, 96 hours. Sample for CBR test is soaked for 96 hours before subjecting it to penetration test. 53. Required strength of the concrete beam sample is at least blank when tested by midpoint method. A, 50 psi, B, 60 psi, C, 3000 psi, and D, 3500 psi. Answer is B, 650 psi. Required strength of the concrete beam sample is at least 650 psi and tested by midpoint method. 54. Maximum height of reflectorized thermoplastic rumble strip. Letter A is 4 millimeter, 5B, 5 millimeter, C, 13 millimeter, and D, 25 millimeter. The answer is C. The maximum height of reflectorized thermoplastic rumble strip is 13 millimeter. The asphalt pavement representative by course shall not be accepted if the deficiency in density is more than A, 1%, B, 2%, C, 3%, D, 4%. Answer is B, 2%. Asphalt pavement represented by core shall not be accepted if the deficiency in density is more than 2%. 56. The upper limit of grain size used for determining the Atterberg's limit of soil is blank. A, number 10 sheave. B, number 40 sheave. C, number 140 ship. And D, 200, number 200 ship. Medyo maingay, no? The answer is B, number 40 ship. Upper limit of grain sizes used for determining the Atterberg limits of soil is number 40 ship. 7, in the given data, liquid limit is equal to 36 and plasticity limit is equal to 6. What is plasticity index? A, 10, B, 30, C, 20, and D, none of the above. The answer is what? B, 30. Yan, may formula po yan eh. I-comment ko na lang. Hindi ko nalagyan. Parang PI, PL over, mga ganon. Sa geotechnical engineering. The given data, liquid limit is equal to 36 and plastic limit is equal to 6. What is the plasticity index? The answer is 30. 58 in item 514, shotcrete. What is the maximum layer thickness shotcrete application allowed per layer? A, 25 mm, B, 50 mm, C, 75 mm, and D, 100 mm. The answer is letter B, 50 mm or 2 inches ang sabi ng matatanda. In item 514, shotcrete, what is the maximum layer thickness shotcrete application allowed per layer? The answer is 50 mm. 59. 59. This is permeable fabric which, in association with soil or embankment, to separate, reinforce, and serves as filter. A, stone masonry. B, welded wire fabric. C, geotextile. D, reef wrap. Answer is C, geotextile. This permeable fabric which, in association with soil or embankment, to separate, reinforce, and serves as pillar. The answer is C, geotextile. 60. In concrete mixture, which of the following is the dividing line between coarse and fine aggregates? A, number 16 or 1.18 millimeter. B, number 8 or 2.36 millimeter. C, number 4 or 4.75 millimeter. And D, none of the above. Answer is C, number 4 or 4.75 millimeter. Concrete mixture, which of the following is the dividing line between coarse and fine aggregates? The answer is number 4 or 4.75 millimeter. 61. 61 tayo ngayon. 3 cores taken from a pavement section poured on a single day were tested to have strength as follows. Core 1, 3,650 psi. Core 2, 3,000 psi. And core 3, 2,440 psi. The average is 3,030 ps, 3,033 psi. The required strength is 3,500 psi and represented by this course. What is your judgment? Letter A may be accepted subject to price adjustment. Letter B is considered adequate. Letter C considered inadequate. And D, none of the above. The answer is considered inadequate, or letter C. 3 cores taken from a pavement section poured on a single day were tested to have strength as follows. Core 1, 3,650 psi. Core 2, part 3,000 psi. And core 3, 3,450 200 2,450 psi. The average is 3,033. The required strength is 3,500 psi concrete and represented by this course as ME or Material Engineer. What is your judgment? The answer is considered inadequate. 62. Slump test is measured of workability of concrete which is not the type of concrete slump. A. Shear slump, B. Collapse slump, C. True slump, and D. False slump. Answer is D. False slump. Concrete slump is measured of workability concrete. The type of concrete slump are shear slump, collapse slump, and true slump. And not the type of concrete slump is the false slump. Sorry, not included in the type of, which is not the type of concrete slump in choices is the false slump. So, ibig sabihin, yung itong tatlong to, yung shear slump, core slump, and true slump, type siya ng concrete slump. Okay, 63. Blank is the limit where further loss of water due to evaporation will not result in reduction of volume. A. Plastic limit. B. Liquid limit. C. Shrinkage limit. And D. All of the above. The answer is shrinkage limit. Shrinkage limit is the limit where further loss of water due to evaporation will not result in reduction of volume. 64. What is the type of admixture that tends to reduce incidence of thermal cracking and maintains concrete workability during large pours or long ready mix holes? A. Water reducing admixture. B. Air enteraining admixture. C. Accelerating admixture. D. Retarding water reducing admixture. The answer is D. Retarding water reducing admixture. What is the type of admixture that tends to reduce incidence of thermal cracking and maintains concrete workability during large pours or long ready mix holes? The answer is retarding water reducing admixture. 65. What is the strength of beam sample tested at the third point test with the applied force of 6,850 pounds? A. 550 psi. B. 570 psi. C. 6,000 psi. D. 625 psi. The answer is 570 psi. What is the strength of a beam sample tested at third point test with an applied force of 6,850 pounds? The answer is 570 psi. 66. What is the minimum temperature for stone mastic asphalt? A. 100 to 145 degrees Celsius. B. 145 to 90 degrees Celsius. C. 125 to 70 degrees Celsius. D, 135 to 180 degrees Celsius. The answer is C, D, 135 to 180 degrees Celsius. What is the temperature for stone mastic asphalt? The answer is 135 to 180 degrees Celsius. 67. Excessive vibration of newly placed fresh concrete may result in A. Smooth surface finish. B. Well dense graded mix. C. Bleeding or lightance. And D. Quick settlement. The answer is bleeding or lightance. Excessive vibration of newly placed fresh concrete may result in bleeding or lightance. 68. The SS designation in unemulsified asphalt means what? A. Single size. B. Soft solid. B. C. Slow setting. And D. Soluble solid. The answer is C. Slow setting. The SS designation in unemulsified asphalt means slow setting. 69. The test conducted on a fully cured carbon fiber sheet or CFS application to determine the adhesion to the substrate is called A. Compressive strength test. B. Flexural strength test. C. Pull-off test. D. Bonding test. And but the answer is C. Pull-off test. Test conducted on a fully cured carbon fiber sheet application to determine the adhesion to the substrate is called pull-off test. 70. An asphalt pavement was assessed to have an international roughness value of 352 meter per kilometer. In accordance with the DPWH Department Order Number 137 Series of 2016, the contractor is what? A. Is entitled to receive 100% payment of the item cost. B. Is entitled to receive 90% payment of the item cost. C. Is entitled to receive 70% payment of the item cost. And D. Will receive no payment. Answer is D. Will receive no payment. An asphalt pavement, yan, DO137 Series 2016. Wait lang. DO137 PWH. An asphalt pavement was assessed to have an international roughness value of 352 meter per kilometer in accordance to DPWH Department Order Number 137 Series of 2016. The contractor will receive no payment. So, i-attach ko na lang yung link niyan. Department Order Number 137 for reference. No? Department Order 137 Series 2016. 71. Compute the percent variation in mass of 19 millimeter diameter deformed steel bar with the following laboratory test. Length specimen equal to 100 millimeter, massive specimen kilogram 2.322, nominal mass kilogram per meter is equal to 2.235, nominal area square millimeter is equal to 284 millimeter, no? Well, square millimeter na lang natin yan para yan. What is the mass in variation of the sample? Letter A, 6%, letter B, 3%, letter C, 4%, and letter D, none of the above. Answer is C, 4%. Hanapin natin yung computation. Computation yan eh. Sorry. Wala dito eh. So, kaya yung computation. Okay, for those na nakakaalam, no? Mga nagre-review yan, assignment niyo po yan, paano yung computation yan. Pero kung assignment ko din yan sa inyo, ko-comment na lang natin yan. Dami ko ng assignment. 72. Sheaving process or grain size does not provide information on what? A. Shape of soil grains. D. Distribution of the grain size. C. Soil classification. And D. Both A and C. The answer is shape of soil grains. Siyempre, maliit na yun eh. Ilang millimeter na yun. The sheep process grain size does not provide information on shape of the soil grains. 73. Which is the required lap length of splice for reinforced bar as per item 404. And the splice type is compression and the reinforcement grade is 60. A 20 millimeter bar diameter. 84 millimeter bar diameter. B. C 12 millimeter bar diameter. C 12 millimeter bar diameter. No? D and 36 bar diameter. The answer is B. 24 millimeter bar diameter. Diameters, not diameters. Well, yun yung nasa tanong. Dapat isa lang, no? How much is the required lap length of splice of reinforcing bar as per item 404 when splice type is compression and reinforcement grade is 60? Item 404. The answer is B, 24 millimeter bar diameter. 73. 73 tayo. 24. Unless specified, non-shrink grout shall be placed when in contact with water at blank. A, 15 minutes. B, 30 minutes. C, 45 minutes. D, 60 minutes. The answer is D, 60 minutes. Isang oras. Unless specified, non-shrink grout shall be placed when in contact with water at 60 minutes. The answer is 60 minutes. And the last question for this review session, 75. In a stockpile of soil aggregates, where is the proper location of sampling? A, bottom, middle, and top. B, bottom only. C, bottom and top only. And D, middle part. Answer is B, bottom, middle, and top, or letter A. In a stockpile of soil aggregates, where is the proper location of sampling? A, bottom, middle, and top. Okay, nagtatapos ang ating review for today. Yan, for inquiries, comments, and suggestion, you can comment in this video or sa anumang video na napanood nyo. You can email us, bryce.academy.consultancy@gmail.com. Please also visit our website, www.bryce.webtools.site, or you can contact us in this number. Bakit dalawa yan? Tanggalin lang natin isa. 0932-800-1219. Sa muli, hopefully, makatulong itong review and see you in the next review session. Thank you very much.